Ingredients: 50-gram butter, softened 2 kg turkey, crown on the bone. 1 tsp Chinese 5-spice or a pinch of ground cloves. For the glaze, 4 tbsp honey. 1 tbsp Dijon mustard. 1 tbsp red wine vinegar. Method: Step 1. Heat oven to 190°C, 170°C, fan gas. 5. Smear the butter all over the turkey crown and season all over with salt and half the 5-spice. Put in a roasting tin, skin side up, and roast for 30 minutes. While the crown is roasting, mix all the glaze ingredients in a bowl with the rest of the 5-spice. Step 2. Remove the crown from the oven and brush the skin generously with half the glaze. Continue to roast for another hour, glazing twice more until cooked all the way through and the glaze is sticky and caramelized. Leave to rest for at least 20 minutes before carving. Save the juices from the tin to make gravy.